Welcome. Today we'll be learning how to create an organizational chart using Excel and Visio. This will be our end result. This is an organizational chart that you can see that's been designed in Visio. Visio is a very advanced software that can create organizational charts, create maps. So that's what we'll be using Visio for the rest of the course. So let's get started. So this is the end result. So if you go to Noodle, you'll see an organizational chart template. We'll just download that. Open that up. Now we've got a few columns here. We've got unique ID, we've got calendar, department. You don't have to touch them. All you have to do is add in an email, the person's name. So if you're adding me as the administrator, it would be Garth L at anglis.edu.au, the name, Garth William, and my phone number. And then to keep that 0 there, make sure exclamation mark, which is near the enter, and press 0, and that'll keep the phone number there. So that's all you have to do. You have to fill in all those 3 columns. You have to fill in the email, which I'll just highlight there for you. Have to fill in the name, and you have to make up. You've got your team members' names, and then you'll have to get some extra names if your teammates don't fill all that up. So they're the 3 columns you need to fill. Once you've done that, you save this file on somewhere where you can see it. So I'm just going to save it on my desktop for now. I'm going to call it org chart data. Okay, now I'm going to close that down. I don't need that anymore. And I'm going to now open a new file in Visio. Organizational chart is the one we want. Click on that. Double click on that, shall we say. Now I'm going to come up here and create organizational chart. And I'm going to import my organizational chart. And I'm going to use information that's already stored on a file or database. Now we create the database in Excel. That's what a database is. So we don't need the other one, it's Wizard. I'm not ready to use that. I'm going to choose this one, a text or Excel file. That's what we created, Excel file. So collect that. We'll browse, look for our downloads page. There should be an all charts desktop there somewhere. All charts data, there it is. Go next. Okay, so the name is that we choose, and yes, that's the name we want of the person in that field, and report to. First name is optional, we'll leave that for none. Go to next. What do we want to display? We want to display the name, the title, and the phone number. It's always handy to have. And we'll do the email as well. Okay, so once we've chosen those 4, we go next. And we want to do the email as well, don't we? So we've got all those 3. So we go next. I can do it myself, or the wizard can do it. I'm going to get the wizard to do it. So who's the name at the top of the page? That generally is the event manager. So you've got to find out who the event manager is in your spreadsheet. Or we just put the top executive for now. Let it go through. And voila, it has created an organizational chart for you. But it's not looking very pretty. So what we've got to do is we can pretty it up a bit. So what we do is we click on that one, click on vertical, and we go left. Click on this one, go vertical, 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 go left. That's looking a bit prettier. Now if I wanted these to be all the same colour, click on Home, pointer toolbar, I highlight all the area that I want, and then I'm going to fill this with a particular colour, say yellow. And then we'll highlight all this one, and we want that orange. And then we highlight this one, just don't grab too much. Behind that blue. Get this one. Highlight. Oops, purple. And have to find green. Green grass. There we go. And what colour are we going to give you? We're going to give you. Yeah, green colour. And there you have your organisational chart. Now you can move these around. They don't have to stay still. Like that. And so forth. Play around with it a little bit. Save your work. And there's your organisational chart. And you're done. Thank you very much.